Well, I've been registered to the website. I had a look at the what is One People is about, and I realized it's a fashion brand of sustainable. It's a sustainable fashion. So, with the coffee workshop, I get to know this brand, so which is great. I think this is a great idea, even though the prices are up, but we're saving the planet with the sustainable fashion, so it's the concept is great. It was really interesting. I enjoyed it. I think it was perfect for starting the Saturday morning to be involved something interesting with friends, so it was pretty cool.